Hello friends, welcome to Edupedia, World of Education. Today we will discuss phonics in detail. Actually, phonics is very vast topic. It includes phonic sounds, CVC words, sight words, blends, diagraphs, magic E words, syllable, R-controlled vowel, spelling formation helpers, and 44 phonic sounds. It also includes Vowel Teams, which is further divided into vowel sound pairs, vowel sound digraphs, and vowel sound diphthongs. Phonic sound. We can teach these sounds after nursery as kids are fine-tuned with alphabets. They can easily learn phonic sounds now. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, Z. Out of these, we all know A, E, I, O are vowel sounds. Phonic sound video and quiz based on it is already uploaded. Link for the same is given in the description box. As kids are clear with basic phonic sounds, we can introduce them CVC words, which are three-letter words: consonant, vowel, consonant. We can create CVC words with all 5 vowels, that is A, E, I, O. CVC words can be derived from all 5 vowels. Let's check out the list. A, ab, ad, ag, am, and, ap, at. Ed, en, egg, et. E, ib, id, ig, im, in, ip, it. O, ob, op, odd, og, ot, ox. Ub, ud, un, up, ut. Sight words. Words that appear more frequently in reading and writing are called sight words. Kids need to recognize it instantly. For example, the, of, in, you, to, etc. Blends. Blends have 2 or 3 consonants. We hear sound of these consonants when we blend them together. We hear sound of both the consonants. B plus L makes bl. Let's check out list of blends. Some beginning blends are bl, cl, fl, gl, pl, sl. Br, cr, fr, gr, pr, dr, tr. Now let's check out some blends which can either be beginning or ending. Sk, sk, sm, sna, sp, st, sw. Nt, ng, nd, nk, rt, rd, mp, ft, ld, lf, lp, lk, lt, k. Diagraphs. Diagraphs have two consonants. We neither hear sound of first consonant nor of second consonant. Digraphs have only one unique sound. Say for example, k plus h makes the sound of ch. Consonant digraphs can either be at the beginning or at ending. Let's check out list of consonant digraphs. Ch, sh, w, f, th and the. Th has two sounds. Soft sound th as in think and hard sound the as in that. Magic E says, I hang around the ends of the words, so silently I sneak, but of the magic I perform to make the vowel speak. I hang around the ends of the words, and yes, I am to blame. I just like to scare the vowel and make him say his name. We are coming up with the series of phonic videos in which we will include all these topics which is discussed in this video in detail. If you find this video informative, please press like button, share to your friends and subscribe now. Magic E. As we discussed, magic E stands at the end of the words and makes the vowel say its name. Say for example, tap, tape, kit, kite, knot, note, cub, cube. Here, sound of A changes to A. E changes to I. O changes to O. Changes to U. Syllable. A syllable is a part of a word that is pronounced as a unit. A word may have one or more than one syllable. To find number of syllables, easiest way is to clap on each sound you produce. For example, book. We just had one sound and one clap. Pick, nick. Two syllables. See, lay, bull. Three syllables. Isn't it easy? Consonant blending is easy for kids. Even consonant digraphs is also comparatively easy. When two vowel teams up, it becomes tricky. Vowel teams are further divided into vowel pairs, vowel digraphs, and vowel diphthongs. Here is the list of vowel teams. Here Y is included because sometimes Y gives out the sound of vowel. Vowel sound pair. When two vowel goes walking, the first one keeps talking. He says his own name. Vowel sound pair. Let's check out the list of vowel sound pair. As we discussed, when two vowels goes walking, first one keeps talking. It says its name. Say for example, AI. We hear the name of A as in train. Wait. AY. We hear the name of first vowel, that is A, as in clay, day. IE. Name of first vowel, I, as in tie, lie. UE. Name of first vowel, U as in blue. Issue. EA, name of first vowel. E as in heat. Team. EE, name of first vowel, that is E as in meat, feet. EY, name of first vowel. E as in money, honey. OA, name of first vowel, that is O as in soap, road. OE, name of first vowel, O as in toe, foe. Friends, English is very vast language. So we have some exceptions. For example, IE as in brief doesn't give name of I. It's an exception. OE as in shoes gives the sound of oo. So we need to consider such exceptions and walk along. Vowel sound diagrams. Diagraphs have two vowel sounds, but we hear only one unique sound. As we discussed consonant diagraphs, which is very helpful for kids and which can be introduced at senior KG level. But introduction of vowel diagraph can be done at grade 1 and grade 2 level when they are clear with sound of ch, sh, th, w, etc. Few pair of vowel make special unique sound. Here we have included w because when I, E and A is followed by W, it gives vowel sound. That's why we call it vowel sound diagraph, not vowel diagraph. Vowel sound diagrams. Let's check out list of vowel sound diagrams. When OO pairs up, it makes sound of oo, as in moon, soon. OO together also make sound of oo, as in book, cook. EA together makes the sound of e, as in head, bread, bread. EI together makes the sound of A, as in eight, wait. EW, as in chew, few. AU makes sound of aw, as in author, because. AW also makes sound of aw, as in jaw, saw. Vowel sound diphthong. D means two, thong means sound. Diphthongs have two vowel sounds and we hear sound of both. First sound is strong and second one is weak. It has gliding sound. Vowel sound diphthong. Sometimes Y gives out the sound of vowel. So we say vowel sound diphthong. It's also called gliding vowels. First vowel sound, which is stronger, glides towards second vowel sound. Gliding means move smoothly. Say for example, OU makes the sound ow, as in house. mouse. O-W, ow. Crown, brown. O-I, oi, as in boil, coin. O-Y, oi, as in boy, toy. R controlled vowel. Friends, have you noticed when we teach CVC word, we don't teach R related words because R changes the sound of vowel. Actually, it controls the sound of vowel. Say for example, AR doesn't give the sound of air. It's R, as in car, hard. OR, it's or, corn, short. ER, IR and UR. All these three gives same sound. As in water, river, girl, bird, turn, churn. Spelling formation helpers. These helpers are useful to kids in formation of many spellings. Let's check out the list of spelling formation helpers. We can introduce these to grade 1 kids. Onk, onk, as in honk, monk. Ong, ong, as in wrong, long. Ang, ang, as in gang, hang. Ing, ing, as in sing, ring. Unk, unk, as in trunk, chunk. Ung, ung, as in lung, sung. Ank, ank, as in bank, thank. Ink, ink, as in pink, blink. All, as in ball, fall. Out, as in spout, stout. And, as in hand, land. Eager, it, as in sight, tight. Uff, as in rough, tough. Ought, as in bought, fought. Honor, shun, as in motion, lotion. Honor, zun, as in revision, confusion. 44 phonic sound. We have 26 letters, 5 vowels, 21 consonants. 5 vowels gives out 20 vowel sounds and 21 consonant gives out 24 consonant sounds. Friends, please explore other educational videos by Edupedia, World of Education, from iLink appearing on the right side corner. Thanks. Hope you liked the video. Share to your friends and family. Subscribe now. Press bell icon for notification for such educational videos. Thanks for watching.